Barker's Nerf channel. This is a series where we look at the internals of Nerf blasters. The reason for this is so that sometimes you open your blaster and springs and parts fly in all directions and you do not know how to put it all back together. And this series is meant for those individuals so that you can use these images as a way to assemble your blaster again. So as you can see, I've already taken this FlipFury apart. I've taken the prime handle off and I've undone all the screws. So first thing that you should know when you open up the FlipFury is that the internals tend to stick to the wrong side of the blaster shell. It sticks to the side where the screws are, which is a real problem when you want to open it. So while opening it, it's important that you press down on the trigger and give it some pressure while opening it up so that the mechanism stays on the other side of the shell. Now, I can honestly say that with all the blasters I've opened up till now, the FlipFury has been my biggest nightmare. It has got the most moving parts that I've had to deal with, and also because I obviously had to do a repair on this in the past. But let me give you a brief overview of what's going on here. Alright. So we've got our plunger tube here. It's actually not that big. I would have expected it to be bigger. Then we've got a spring down here, which is a spring for this mechanism that allows the revolvers drums to rotate. Now, these springs should not come out. If this mechanism breaks or gets opened somehow, please refer to my repair video, as I will not be opening that up because I don't feel like getting involved with that again. Then you've got a spring underneath here sitting inside this mechanism. Again, that should not be coming out. If you press down on the trigger while opening it up, your blaster should be fine, as most of the springs are exposed to the other side of the shell. Then, I'm not sure if I mentioned this little spring over here already. So, I hope this helps. If for any reason you did not follow the instruction and the internal stuck to the wrong side of the shell, and when you open it up your spring shot in different directions, please have a look at my repair video, as I will cover that in detail to show how the different parts go together. I hope this was of some value to somebody, and please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you.